All right. Welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Audi, and I am your host, Audi. With inflation on a tear everywhere you live right now, and in the US, it's somewhere around 8%, one of our dividend stocks increased their dividends by more than the inflation rate here in the US. We got a 10% increase on one of our dividend stocks, and we're gonna find out what that stock is later on in this video. But for this, you know we are here for the portfolio update, so let's go ahead and look at what has been going on with our portfolio. We are going to focus on the dividends received, where our current portfolio is in terms of value from the original $100, as well as how much dividend have we received since the inception of this portfolio. And did you know that this is the 9th month since we have made the portfolio? That's enough to have a baby. And so yes, we are going to look at where our baby is currently after the 9 months of its inception. Let's look at our individual stock performances for the month of March. ATNX surprisingly is up a penny, MFA is down 4 cents, PSEC is up 19 cents, BND is down about $2, and VOO, you know it's always our saving grace, or the one that's gonna hit us the hardest, it's up $13 and about 70 cents. So starting off with the dividend payments that we received for the month of March. We had VOO, BND, as well as PSEC paid us dividend, and here is the total amount of dividend that we received from those 3 companies during that month. After incorporating the dividend payments, here is where our portfolio currently stands as its overall value. We are still less than $100, but our overall stock portfolio is now worth $93.21, which is down $6.79 from the original $100. Now remember, this portfolio was for dividend payment, that's a form of passive income, and whilst value is very volatile, we want to make sure that we are continuously getting paid dividends regardless of what is happening either locally in the US or internationally with some of the things that you know are going on globally right now. I know you guys are trying to figure out which one of our stocks paid us a 10% increase in dividend, but before we get to that, here is the third thing that we have on the list, which is to determine how much dividends we have received in total from since the inception of this stock portfolio. So we have been paid a grand total of $3.04 up to date. That is a massive 3.04% return on our $100 since we have created this. Now, to celebrate that, for the next episode, I'm gonna bring my chip, my soda on the episode, and we're gonna sit down and we're gonna eat. I don't drink soda, but I have to buy a juice. But let's go ahead. We gotta splurge because we got $3 now. So we're gonna buy a chip and a juice because I don't drink soda, or maybe a water. But we'll see. So in the next episode, we're gonna sit here and actually do that. And since now we've seen those top 3 things, where our portfolio value is, how much dividend we received for the month of March, as well as our grand total in dividend, and for that stock that increased their dividend by 10%, it's none other than, guys would never have thought, it's MFA. MFA increased their dividends by 10%, and now that means that we are gonna receive more dividend payments from it, and this is why dividend reinvestment sometimes can work in your favor, because now that we have been purchasing the shares of the company with the dividends they were paying us, so then those shares are now gonna get us more money with the dividend increase that we have received. And that dividend went from 10 cents and it's now 11 cents every quarter. I know that's just a penny, but a 10% increase is greater than the inflation rate. And you know every penny definitely counts these days because gas prices are rampant. So whatever the companies decide to give me in terms of a shareholder extra in terms of dividend payment, I am happy to take it because that gives me more income for me to use on chip and sodas, of course, and for us to enjoy here on this channel. So the one thing is the $3 payment that we received, that's almost enough to buy a tank of gas. It's not there yet, but think about it. Tank of gas here in the US is $4.19. So if it's more where you are, so that $3 could definitely get you a tank of gas to get you somewhere where you need it to go or to survive the next few hours. And that's the beauty of dividend investment, and also staying the course when things get hard, because value is very volatile, but as long as you have steady dividend paying companies, those companies are going to reward you for your patience and your diligence and running the course with them. So I hope you all have enjoyed this dividend portfolio update. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, next episode, we will be enjoying some chip and a juice. Peace, love, enjoyment. Tuesdays with Audi. Until the next one, stay safe out there. And remember to invest safe. Whoosh.